Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how you can add an overlay in CapCut. So if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So let's get in. Now what you have to do is open up CapCut app in your mobile, and then if you want to open a project that you are already creating, you can open that, or if you want to create a new project, you can hit on this new project button. So for the course of this video, I'm going to be creating a new project, so let's hit on new project. All right, and after that it's going to open up a gallery from where you guys have to select the first video, uh, and then hit on this add button. Alright, so as you guys can see, my first video is successfully uploaded to this uh, uploaded to this editor. Now what I can do is I can go on the top right, I can set the resolution to 1080p and then set the frame rate to 1030. That's it. And now what I can do is I can trim this video a little bit so that it is not a bigger video. It had all right, so that's pretty much for the video. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna overlay another video on this video. So for that, what I can do is you guys can see on the fourth option from the down menu, it says overlay. Hit on that, and then it's gonna ask you to add an overlay. Hit on this button, and then it's gonna open up a gallery, and then what you need to do is you need to select another video so that so the previous video can be overlaid. So it's gonna put up a layer of the new video on the previous video. All right, so here as you guys can see, I have added an overlay video on the previous video. So as you guys can see, it is putting a layer on the previous video. So for that, that's it. Now what you guys can do further is you guys can put a little bit animation to it, like fade in or fade or rock vertical, whatever you guys want to do like this. You guys can do that, and once you're done editing your project, you guys can see on the top right there is a save button. Hit on that so that your video can be saved into your gallery. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. If you guys found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.